Alright, here we go. We got the Falcon Trauma First Aid Medical Kit right here. Little tag says Falcon Med Tac. Overall, looking at the stitching, you got double stitching. Button snaps. Let's open it up, see what we have. First aid medical cross. You can take that off, you can put it on, put something else on if you want. First thing we have military tourniquet, still sealed. Let's get the measurements on this before we go any further. You're about 8 inches by 4, so 8 inches, approximately, let's make that 7.5, approximately 7.5 by 4. Side zippers, open it up, see what we have inside. It should be the standard stuff inside. Snap these buttons back together. Also, just in case, we put something along the ridge is in here. Open it up. Examining gloves, white examining gloves, marker, black marker, Band-Aids. I like that they placed these items in those Ziploc bags. They actually have a date, expiration date on them, so that's good. Everything is nicely organized and tidy. Bandage tape, wipes, sanitary wipes, gauze, another bandage, adhesive wound dressing. Compressed gauze, and the last piece that's in the bag is a emergency trauma bandage, compression wound dressing. So overall, not a bad little pack. Comes with the standard medical kit components. You know, basic stuff for stop bleeding. You know, the trauma kit contains the most used, friendly, and popular first aid supplies for hemorrhaging control on the market. So let's see, let's get this stuff back in there. See, I'll put it back in. Goes in fairly quick. I'm going to add something to it that did not come with it. A little ink marker back in there. I'm going to add, these came separately, not included in the purchase of the Falcon Med-Tac bag. So zero stop bleed for all minor cuts to severe bleeding wounds. Absolutely works for people on blood thinners too. FDA cleared, safe in the wound, used by hospitals and first responders. Keep your children and family safe. A first aid necessity. Be prepared. 4 in a pack. I'm going to throw a couple of these in the bag just to have as well. And that will complete this review of the Falcon Med-Tac first aid kit. And we can like that. Quick access, red pull tag, quicker access. Everything is nicely displayed and organized. Voila, there it is, ready to go. Good stitching. Let's see. Here's your review of the Falcon Med-Tac first aid kit.